hindi ka nila maiintindihan. Kung may mga tao na hindi ka naiintindihan, alam mo kung ano yung hindi masyadong pinag-uusapan? Yung feeling na kahit anong gawin mo. Minsan nga, hindi lang sa hindi nila gets. Madalas, ayaw ka nilang intindihin. Hindi dahil sa ayaw nila, but because your dreams are too big. Your plans are too bold. And your growth reminds them of everything they are too scared to chase. At ang masakit, ikaw pa yung nagmumukhang masama. Ikaw pa yung nagiging others. Just because you want a life na hindi lang sakto, but a life that you really want. But here's the truth, and I do hope na maiintindihan mo to very clearly. Hindi mo kailangan ng approval nila. Hindi mo kailangan ng validation nila. At hindi mo kasalanan kung bakit hindi nila maintindihan kung gaano kalaki yung pangarap mo. Kasi hindi naman sila yung gumigising araw-araw para lumaban. Hindi sila yung nag-iipon ng lakas kahit sobrang pagod na. Hindi sila yung nagdadasal gabi-gabi, hoping someday, Lord, sana malapit na. Kaya kung feeling mo ngayon na mag-isa ka sa journey mo, hindi dahil may mali sa'yo or dahil OA ka sa pangarap mo. May mga pangarap lang talaga na hindi meant for everyone, pero it means something for you, and that's okay. One day, the same people who doubted you will look at your life and say, kaya pala. Kaya padayon lang. Protect your peace, keep your vision, and grow quietly. Hindi mo kailangan magpaliwanag sa kanila dahil mas maangas at mas maganda kung makikita na lang nila ang progress mo. Keep going, your future self is already proud of you.